Hello everyone, myself Mridu Charar and I am from BSc Honors Agriculture second year student. Before starting my presentation, I would thank our course instructor Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir, who is helping a lot to provide best education during this lockdown period. My topic is production technology on peach, so let's get started. Index, scientific classification, introduction, uses, climate requirements and soil, health benefits of peaches, cultivar, propagation and rootstock, cultivation, manures and fertilizers, irrigation, flowering, fruit thinning, maturity and harvesting, yield, post-harvest management, diseases of peaches. Production technology for the cultivation of peach. Now, scientific classification. Scientific name Prunus persica. Common name Shanti Amethi. Kingdom Plantae. Family Rosacea. Genus Prunus. Subgenus Amygdalis. Species Prunus persica. Chromosome number 2n is equal to 16. Introduction of the cultivated peaches took place in the later half of the 19th century. Important historical peach producing areas are China, Japan, Iran, Turkey and other countries in the Mediterranean region where they have been grown for thousands of years. More recently, the USA, Canada and Australia have also been important. Today, it is being grown in the mid-hill zone of the Himalayas, extending from Jammu and Kashmir hills, 1000 to 2000 meters above mean sea level. It is also been grown to a limited scale in the hills of South India and in the north-eastern region of the country. Besides, low-yielding peaches are grown in some mountainous region and Punjab, Haryana, Delhi and the western Uttar Pradesh. Uses. It is rich in protein, sugar, minerals and vitamins. Peach is a delicious, juicy fruit. It is a rich source of vitamin A, iron, protein. The fruit is generally consumed fresh, but delicious squash can also be prepared. It plays a very important role in Chinese tradition and is symbolic of long life. The utilization breakdown is as follows. Fresh 45 to 55%, canned 35 to 40%, frozen 5%. Climate. In India, peach is mainly grown in mid-hill at a height ranging from 1000 to 1600 meters above sea level, and strain varieties that are grown in subtropical areas require only 250 to 300 hours of chilling during the year for proper flowering and fruiting. Peaches do well in wet and humid climate with cold winter and dry summer. The varieties of superb quality and good taste don't grow well in plants because their chilling requirements are not met with. On the other hand, peaches don't grow well where winter temperature fall below the freezing point as it gets injured. The annual rainfall of 45% is sufficient for peach. Spring frost is more harmful for peach cultivation. Soil. Deep sandy loam soil rich in organic matter is best for a successful cultivation. Peaches prefer perfect drainage. The pH of the soil should be between 5.8 to 6.8. Acidic and saline soil are unfit for peach cultivation. Health benefits of peaches. Rich in vitamin, rich in antioxidant and fiber, high in potassium, improve eye vision, maintain body weight, lowers inflammation, promotes skin health, prevent cancer, prevent heart diseases, prevent bone disorder, improve cardiovascular health, proper kidney function, protect against anemia, control high cholesterol and diabetes. Cultivars. Early season. Maturing in last week of April, Florida Sun and Florida Prince. Mid-season, maturing in first to second week of May, Shane Punjab and Ali Grande. Late season maturing in mid-June, Florida red and sharbati. Now temperate areas. Early season maturing in third week of June, Saharanpuri. Mid-season maturing in first to second week of July, Peshawari, and July Alberta, Amba Chanun number 1. Late season maturing in last week of July to first week of August, Alberta Amba Chanu number 2 and Quetta. Fruit of different peach cultivar at harvesting maturity stage. Shane Punjab, Ali Grande, Florida Prince. Propagation and rootstock. Peaches commercially propagated through grafting or budding. Peaches seedling are generally used as rootstock. Some nursery also use bhami as rootstock for peach. The white species produce more vigorous and hardy seedling than the cultivated varieties. The seed may be treated with IBA 100 ppm, reduce the starification period and increase germination percentage and seedling growth. These seeds are then sown in well-prepared bed about 5 cm deep and 15 cm apart at a row-to-row spacing of 20 cm. Peaches are propagated commercially by tongue or cleft budding and tea budding or ring budding. In hill, tongue budding during January to February and tea budding during May to June are performed. However, in plain, grafting is performed during November to January and budding during April, June and September. Cultivation. Planting. The planting is done in winter season. The planting should be clear, that is without brushes and weeds. The land is plugged or dug and arrangement of drainage can be made in advance of planting. In hilly areas, contour planting system is adopted in steep slope. In plain areas, skewered system of planting is common. Pit of 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter size at a distance of 4.5 meter in hill. Dug during September to October. In high density plantation, the distance can be reduced to 3 meter into 3 meter. Now training. On the conventional training system, modified later and open center are usually adopted to train peach tree. A sunlight explore is a limiting factor. Hill, vase or open center of training is generally used. In the system at the time of planting, the stem is cut 60 to 80 cm from the ground level and only 3 to 4 branches are allowed to develop on it. In the following dormant season, these 3 to 4 branches arises in the opposite direction with angle crotches are headed back. The main stem kept clear up to 45 cm above the ground. Pruning. Peaches require heavy and regular pruning because fruiting occurs laterally on previous season growth, which bear only once in its lifetime. The pruning of peach has two important components, thinning out and heady back of the shoot. It should be done so as to produce 25 to 30 cm of growth annually under temperate conditions, which is sufficient for maintaining optimum productivity. During early bearing, the selected shoot should be lightly pruned by removing 20-30% linear growth. After corrective pruning should be followed by removal of linear extension growth to the extent of 70 to 80%. The remaining 50% of selected shoot should be headed back by removing 20 to 30% linear growth. In July, Alberta peach pruning should be done to retain 40 fruiting shoot and each shoot is headed back to 15 nodes, where heavy pruning is required. Midwinter is best time for pruning. Now manures and fertilizer. State, age of tree. FIM means farmyard manure. Kg per tree, nitrogen, gram per tree, phosphorus, gram per tree, potassium, gram per tree. Now state, Himachal Pradesh. Age of tree 6, FIM 40, nitrogen 500, phosphorus 250, potassium 700. Uttar Pradesh, age of tree 10, nitrogen 300, phosphorus 500, potassium 300. Tamil Nadu FIM 20, nitrogen 200, phosphorus 1000 and potassium is also 1000. Arunachal Pradesh age of tree 7, FIM 50, nitrogen 350, phosphorus 210 and potassium is also 210. Whole quantity of FIM manure along with P and K given during December, January. Half of N should be given in spring before flowering and the remaining half a month later if irrigation facilities are available. Under rainfed condition, N fertilizer should be applied in one lot 15 days before bad break. The manures and nitrogenous fertilizer should be applied by broadcasting. It should be thoroughly mixed in soil by gentle raking. The tree should be irrigated lightly immediately after the application of manures and fertilizers. Now irrigation. To get the optimum size and quality peaches, irrigation is very much essential. There should be sufficient moisture in soil before the emergence of leaves and flowers. Irrigation are needed during the fruit development. Lack of irrigation, particularly during dry and hot summer, result in fruit drop, reduce fruit size and quality. In hills, at least 2 irrigation should be given during the fruit development period. Irrigation should be stopped a few days before harvesting at the time of dormancy. Now flowering. The peach flower is termed as periganous. The air space between the septal and ovary is thought to provide some insulation during spring frost. The flowers are produced in early season. So here's the parts of the flower. Fruit thinning. Thinning is more desirable on mature tree, making small annual growth than on young vigorous plants. Trees growing on light soil, deficient in moisture and nutrient, would also be needed fruit thinning. The heavy bearing cultivars like Pratap, Shane Punjab, Florida Red, Sharbati and Sufeda need fruit thinning to minimize danger of limb breakage. Thinning can also be restored when good size uniform fruits are needed for canning and fancy trade. The distance from fruit after thinning on shoot should be 15 cm and the average number of fruit per leaf should be 20 to 25. Maturity and harvesting. To reduce the losses during the packaging and transporting, peaches should be harvested at optimum stage of maturity. A large number of maturity indicates day to maturity, calendar date, fruit size, firmness, sense of touch, pit discoloration, freeness of pit, taste, ground color, sugar, acidity, starch have been assessed on different cultivars. The day from full bloom to maturity vary in different cultivar. Alexander 86 days, Julie Alberta 101 days, Babcock 122 and Alberta 127 days. All peaches do not mature simultaneously, therefore they may be harvested in 3 to 4 picking at 4 days interval. For distance market, they should be harvested consumption. Tree ripe peaches are harvested by twisting with hand. The peak harvesting period for different peach cultivar in hill is mid-May, Shane Punjab, mid-July, July, Alberta. Yield. The peach into bearing after 2 years of planting in the field. The plant bears for 20 years. The average capacity increases with the size of the plant. The average yield of fully grown trees of different variety vary from 50 to 125 kg in hills. In conventional plantation, 7 to 10 tons per hectare in Tantura Trelli, about 23 tons per hectare yield can be obtained. Post-harvest management, ripening. Peach ripen very fast as the harvesting season coincides with the prevailing high seasonal temperature. Ripening process declined to half with each reduction of 5.6 degrees Celsius from 21.1 to 4.4 degrees Celsius. The fruit ripened in 3 days at 21.1 degrees Celsius. Grading: the harvested fruit must be disposed of as possible. Peaches are graded to fetch better price in the market. Size grading is essential for uniformity and packaging in standard carton of boxes. Packaging: peaches are packed in wooden boxes, but nowadays CFB crowns are used. They are lighter in weight and consume about one-third wood and are easy to handle. They need protection from direct rains. Storage: peaches are shorter life than most other temperate fruits. Peaches can be stored for 28 to 36 days. Peaches are frozen in cold storage at minus 0.9 degrees Celsius. The recommended cold storage conditions are 0 to 0.3 degrees Celsius and 85 to 90% relative humidity. Diseases of peaches: brown rot. They basically include blossom and twig blight, canker, and fruit rot. The fruit indication of the disease in the spring is the rapid death of blossom, which as they turn brown often very affixed to the twig in a growing mass. Later blooming covered with the greyish to tan spore mass. Management: avoid fruit injury, use sanitation, apply fungicide to prevent brown rot. Bacterial spot: bacterial spot attack the fruits, leaf and current season twigs. Fruit infection appear as tiny purple to black flecks on the fruit surface of peaches and as water soak spot on nectarines and other smooth skin prunus species. Later the skin is broken and the flesh beneath the spot becomes sunken. Now here are some questions. Question number 1. Which family do peaches belong to? And the answer is Rosaceae. Question number 2. Which country is second largest producer of peaches after China? And the answer is Spain. Next one. Peach fruit is native to which country? And the answer is Northwest China. Next, a typical peach tree will start bearing in which year of its life? And the answer is third. Now the last one is, what is the height of peach tree? And the answer is 13 to 33 feet. Thank you.